Planting low-growing and fast-spreading perennials along the bordering areas can make huge impact on overall look of curb appeal. When choosing the perennials for bordering areas and pathway areas, focus on foliage of the plant, height and spread at mature growth of the plant. For a smaller borders, pick a color scheme from your favorite colors. Let's explore 20 low-maintenance perennials for border areas of the landscaping. Dianthus. It is a genus of hardy perennial, known for their beautiful, often fragrant flowers in shades of pink, red, and purple. Dianthus perennial can adjust to most soil conditions, and able to handle drought conditions too. One of the best bordering perennial that adds texture to the landscaping. Lavender. A versatile perennial known for its fragrant foliage and beautiful flowers. Lavender is a wonderful plant for bordering areas, typically has narrow, aromatic leaves that are gray-green or silvery green in color. The flowers are arranged in spikes, that comes in shades of purple and pink. A perfect option for front row areas of the garden beds. Alliums can be an excellent bordering perennial, especially for spring and early summer interest. Alliums have round globe-like flower heads that add height and architectural interest to borders. To keep borders tidy and beautiful, plant them among other low growers like catmint, lamb's ear, or geraniums that can camouflage the fading leaves. Yarrow. It can absolutely be used as a bordering perennial, especially in sunny dry locations. Yarrow is popular for its ferny aromatic foliage and colorful flowers, that comes in shades of yellow, pink, red and orange colors, from early summer to early fall season. Yarrow loves heat and full sun, making it perfect for sunny borders and edges. Coneflower. A wonderful drought-tolerant perennial, valued for its continuous blooms from summer to fall. These flowers comes in different colors in shades of red, pink, white and orange. Its upright growth and long blooming habit makes coneflower a wonderful choice for bordering areas of the garden. Variegated hostas are ideal for shade area borders, bringing texture, color contrast, and a lush refined look to shaded paths or under tree areas. These hostas often have white cream or gold margins or centers, which brighten up shaded areas. Low to medium-sized varieties are perfect for edging, they keep beds looking tidy and full. Perennial lantanas are popular for its drought-tolerant nature, and unlimited blooming from late spring to through the fall season. Mounding or trailing varieties stay neat at the front or edge of beds. It grows as annual in zones from 5 to 7. Lantana is a fast-spreading bordering perennial plant, and it is very adaptable to most soil conditions. Nepeta. Commonly known as catmint, is an excellent choice for a bordering perennial, especially in sunny, dry areas. It's known for its soft and fragrant, pollinator-friendly nature, and long blooming habit. It is perfect perennial for lining garden edges, paths, or the front of flower beds. Lamb's ear. It is a classic bordering perennial, beloved for its soft silvery foliage, that adds an amazing contrast color and visual softness to garden edges. It's especially useful in sunny borders where low maintenance and drought-tolerant plants are needed. Plant lamb's ear along with flowering perennials, such as tickseed, coral bells for best appeal. If you like keeping the purple foliage in your garden, you do not want to miss the planting purple heart perennial. It is fast-growing and very low-maintenance perennial, that perfectly fits for edges and bordering areas of the garden beds. It provides beautiful contrast to green, silver, or gold plants. Coral bells, also known as heucheras, are amazing perennials to add vibrant colors to borders of partly shaded areas. Coral bells are a popular choice for garden beds and container gardens. Newer varieties of coral bells comes in a wide range of shades, including dark purple, bronze and variegated combinations. Plant them along with flowering perennials for best aesthetic appeal. Ajaga, also known as bugleweed, is an excellent choice for borders, especially as a ground cover or front rows of garden beds, or pathway areas of the garden. Its colorful foliage and low-growing form can add wonderful texture and interest to beds and paths. It shows beautiful bluish flower spikes in springtime of the year. Speedwell. It is a hardy and versatile perennial, known for its long bloom time, spiky flower clusters, and low-maintenance nature. It's a favorite perennial plant in borders, pollinator gardens, and mixed perennial beds. It blooms from early summer to fall, and flowers comes in different shades including pink, blue and white. Shasta daisy can work for edging in some garden designs, but it's not the most traditional choice for low edging. However, with the right cultivar and placement, it can be a beautiful, bold border accent. Its white petals with sunny yellow centers bring cheer and contrast to garden edges. Tickseed, also known as coreopsis, is an excellent perennial for bordering areas, due to its compact size, long blooming season, and cheerful daisy-like flowers. Many varieties of tickseed cultivar stay under 18 inches, making them ideal for front-of-border planting. It is a drought-tolerant perennial, with continuous blooms from late spring to late summer, and deadheading helps to extend bloom time. Creeping phlox. This perennial is excellent choice for edges and sunny bordering areas to add early spring interest to the garden. It's a low-maintenance, matte-forming perennial that delivers a mass of color in early to mid-spring, and evergreen foliage year-round in many climates. Lemon coral sedum. It is a vibrant ground-covering perennial, often used for edging, containers, and ground cover in sunny spots. It is valued for its mounding type with fine-textured foliage that adds bold contrast and brightness to garden designs. Ferns are excellent choice for borders, especially in shady or woodland-style gardens, bringing soft texture, graceful movement and fine foliage. Its textural beauty makes them superb companions to hostas, heucheras, and to other shade area perennials. Caladiums are commonly grown for their decorative leaves rather than flowers, making them perfect for adding a bold splash of colors to shady gardens, front row areas of the garden and containers. Most caladium varieties prefer partial to full shade. Caladiums are tender perennials in warmer areas, like USDA zones 9 to 11, but in colder climates, they are grown as annuals. If you are looking to add airy-like texture to the bordering areas, Russian sage is one of the good choice. It is valued for its silvery foliage and tall wispy lavender blue flower spikes. Its low-maintenance nature, long blooming habit makes it popular for bordering areas of landscapes. I hope you feel the content of this video is informative. Please do not forget to drop a like to this video for channel encouragement.